podcast. Just want to say thank you for joining me for my EDUC 644 podcasting series. After today's podcast, listeners will be able to identify the different layers of Earth's atmosphere, as well as identify any objects found within those layers. The atmosphere is divided into 5 distinct layers. It is thickest near the surface and thins out with height until it eventually merges with space. The first layer is the troposphere. The troposphere is the lowest layer of Earth's atmosphere. The air is very well mixed and the temperature decreases with altitude. Air in the troposphere is heated from the ground up. The surface of the Earth absorbs energy and heats up faster than the air does. The heat is spread through the troposphere because the air is slightly unstable. This causes weather. All weather occurs in the Earth's troposphere. The next layer is the stratosphere. In the Earth's stratosphere, the temperature increases with altitude. On Earth, ozone causes the increasing temperature in the stratosphere. Ozone is concentrated around the altitude of 25 kilometers. The ozone molecules absorb dangerous kinds of sunlight, which heats the air around them. Weather balloons reach into this layer and observe the weather below them. The third layer is the mesosphere. In the Earth's mesosphere, the air is relatively mixed together and the temperature decreases with altitude. The atmosphere reaches its coldest temperature of around -90 degrees Celsius in the mesosphere. This is also the layer in which a lot of meteors burn up while entering the Earth's atmosphere. The fourth layer is the thermosphere. The air here is extremely thin. A small change in energy can cause a large change in temperature. That's why the temperature is very sensitive to solar activity. When the sun is active, the thermosphere can heat up to 1500 degrees Celsius or higher. The Earth's thermosphere also includes the region of atmosphere called the ionosphere. Scientists call the ionosphere an extension of the thermosphere. So technically, the ionosphere is not another atmospheric layer. The ionosphere represents less than 0.1% of the total mass of the Earth's atmosphere. The ionosphere is the layer in which the space shuttle orbits. The exosphere is the outermost layer of the atmosphere and extends from 690 kilometers to 800 kilometers above the ground. In this layer, gases get thinner and thinner and eventually drift off into space.